Hi everybody, welcome to 70 Yards Tiny Farm and More. Man, the sun is bright, but if I put my sunglasses on, I can't see my phone. So bear with me here for a second. What we're going to be doing today is we're going to be moving, well, not really moving yet, but integrating the chickens. We have these chickens here. Okay, we have 4 chickens in this little chicken coop here. We built this chicken coop for the meat chickens originally, and so we when we got our last set of chickens, they were young, they were just pullets, so they weren't laying yet, so we didn't want to put them in the back chicken coop way back there behind that third corral. So because we didn't want to put the pullets with the mature chickens until they started laying, and then they started laying, and then we just never moved them because we got a little bit lazy. It was hot outside, it was summertime, so but now we're getting some meat chicks in 2 to 3 weeks, and so I need to get these hens moved to the back coop. So I've just been slowly trying to integrate them just so that they get used to each other. It's not really working very well because they just kind of hang out in their own little groups. I haven't put them like all in the one coop together. I've tried to get them used to each other just kind of outside of the coop, just free ranging out in the back, but they kind of just stay in their own little groups, and so I might have to just break down and throw them all in the coop and just kind of see what happens. But anyway, so I'm going to try to move these today just to take them out back, and I'll let the other hens out back and see if they want to free range together and kind of still get used to each other, and we'll go from there. Okay, we got our first girl. I'm going to walk her back there, and then I'm just going to have to get them all one by one. I wasn't ready for you guys to come out yet. I wasn't ready for you to come out. Got to clean up our mess. We had a pretty good storm a couple weeks ago, and it knocked a couple branches off that Palo Verde tree, which is actually the neighbor's, but it hangs over into our yard. And I'd like to just cut the whole thing down because it's pretty ugly, but we're going to cut as many branches off as we can that's hanging over into our yard, and then we got to clean up that mess. So, whoa, careful now. So you would think that they would realize the door is open and they can get out if they wanted to. The door is open, girls. Turn around and go the other way. Turn around and go the other way. Maybe I should throw some scratch in there and let everybody feed together. That might be a good idea. Grab some scratch. Over here. Hey, pretty girl. You over here all by yourself. All your sisters over in the coop. What you doing by yourself? You don't like the drama? I don't blame you. I don't like drama either. But I'm going to get some scratch if you want some. Okay. All right. Come on, come over here. I'll get you some scratch. Oh okay, yeah, girls. We got the good stuff. Ready? Oh, go get it. See if that'll help you guys get along. All right, girls. There you go. The door's open if you guys want to come out and get away from Queenie. Oh, little turd. I'll get away from the door so you guys, if you want to come out, you can. That one's still over there doing her thing. Over there. She'll find her way over here, mosey on over. I haven't been very diligent about trying to intermingle them, so we're running out of time. The meat chickens are coming next week, so we got to clean the coop and everything. So we're just going to take them tonight. We're going to try doing it now in the evening, so that they're kind of calmer. They're getting ready to go to sleep for the night, so hopefully that'll help and they won't fight so much. So let's get started.
We're a go. We are a go.
Right. Did you lock me in?
Yes, I locked you in because Off into the sunset.
You want to sit here with your sisters? There you go.
It's okay, Missy.
All right, sun's starting to go down, so hopefully they'll be a little calmer right now, and then it'll be time for bed, and they won't kind of fight very much, hopefully. But right now, that Americana, she's the one that's causing the problems. And all 4 of those girls are afraid of her, and they all went up on the perch. Okay, all the hens are actually doing pretty well together. It's been Friday, Saturday, 2 days since we put them all in there together for good, and they're actually all doing pretty well. I've noticed though the ones that were in the coop here before might not be letting the other ones into the nesting boxes, because I've been finding eggs randomly just wherever, laid in the little yard or just laid throughout the coop. So hopefully that'll change and they'll let them into the nesting boxes. But other than that, I think they're doing pretty well together.